Today we are at Mary Jo Sheppard Elementary School in Mansfield ISD. We had Sergeant Dana Bowman come out to speak to us about it's not a disability, it's an ability.
Pretty powerful words there. It's my motto. It's not the disability, it's ability. And I mentioned earlier, we all have a disability. Your disabilities are the things you think you can't do. I was a member of the Golden Knights Army Parachute Team. In 1994, 25 years ago, I was in a mid-air collision that took the life of my teammate and both my legs.
He has turned his disability into reaching people and showing people and talking about it's the ability that people have and not their disability in life.
For me, it just showed that all of us have some kind of disability that we are working towards becoming an ability, and that we can teach our students anything to overcome anything, and that their disabilities don't define them, their abilities do.
I became the first double amputee to re-enlist back in the United States military, and now it's given me an opportunity to be able to travel around, to be able to speak to schools, to children, to organizations, and on top of that, parachute drop in. What a way to be able to bring your message in of hope to the despondent, courage to the timid, and strength to the weak.
All of our students come to school with different baggage or different things that may be affecting them in life, negatively, or it may be their own disability. But our teachers, I wanted them to understand that they can put a positive light on everything for their students in their class to lift them up and motivate them to do the best that they can do in our school.